Hey guys, Drew Fielder here, managing partner of Back Bay Investment Group. I'm here today to tell you guys a little bit more about why our focus is on multifamily development. So first, we're here to give our investors above market returns, right? So what sets us apart from our competition? We go for above market returns. So we typically target investments which have the ability to earn our investors a minimum of 20% cash on cash return every year. In other words, we target a 20% or better IRR. So to do that, we have to target value add and opportunistic deals. If we were investing in more stabilized, safer assets, we probably wouldn't be able to hit IRRs of 20% or better. So value add and opportunistic deals simply means that there's some type of distress or mismanagement of the property that will allow us to go in, correct those issues, and transform the asset from underperforming to performing or stabilize. So now, secondly, why we invest in multifamily development opportunities is the discrepancy between interest rates and commercial cap rates right now. So there's very few value add opportunities that make sense. Value add opportunities being you go in and you acquire an existing asset and again take it from underperforming to performing. So those value add opportunities right now require significantly more equity than has historically been the norm. Let's just call it in the last 10 years or so, investing in apartments, investors would put in anywhere between 10 to 30% of the equity required for the deal to fund the acquisition. Now, in the current market, given the higher interest rates, and on top of that, lenders tightening up their debt service coverage ratios, it requires about 40 to 60% in equity to acquire those same properties, and thus significantly reducing the return on investment for investors. Now, finally, why we invest in multifamily development properties is given the need for 3.5 million housing units in California. We know that the state legislatures, the city legislatures, they are actively working to make development of housing units easier, faster, and less expensive. And the old saying is, if you can build in California, you can build anywhere in the world. So while that's true, it allows companies like ours to lean into those challenges, come up with creative solutions that other companies simply aren't capable of implementing or don't want to implement. So we're betting on development in California becoming easier, more lucrative, and that's based on our experience talking to cities and real estate professionals in our network.